Want to make your incoming calls look more personal and stylish? In this video, I'll show you how to change the call background on your Samsung Galaxy phone and give your calling screen a fresh new look in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Start by opening the phone app on your Samsung Galaxy device. You can do this by tapping the green phone icon located on your home screen or inside your app drawer. Step 2. Once the phone app is open, tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access the phone customization options. Step 3. Inside the Settings menu, look for and tap Call Background. On some Samsung devices with dual SIM cards, you may be asked to choose whether you want to customize the background for SIM 1 or SIM 2. Step 4. Tap Background at the bottom of the screen. Samsung provides several built-in backgrounds that you can use immediately. If you would like something more personal, tap the appear a plus button or the gallery icon to select a photo or video from your device. Step 5. Browse your gallery and choose your favorite image or short video. If you select a video, keep in mind that it must be under 15 seconds and smaller than 100 MB. If the video is too long, Samsung will automatically give you the option to trim it. Step 6. After selecting your photo or video, preview how it will appear during incoming calls. If you are satisfied with the result, tap Set as Call Background to save your changes. Now your Samsung Galaxy phone will display your customized call background whenever you make or receive calls, giving your device a more unique and personalized appearance. Hope this helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more easy Samsung guides.